Okay, let's get the trial Dynamics 365 CRM. I'm gonna try Dynamics 365 Customer Service and Data Insight. So I'll expand this a little bit more later on. There are other things as well, like the data connectors, AI builders, Dataverse that connect all of these. But I'll explain as I go along. Okay. Okay. So let me get into these free trial. Okay. So there you go. This is one of the applications, customer service workspace. This is where you can see all the apps behind the scenes, but this is where the customer service agent can use these to speak with the customers. So customer service agent dashboard, you can manage, just allow this. You can manage services and everything, where you can create new case manually from here, a quick creation. So you can create a new record, like a new contact, a new account. So account is more of an organization, a company. Contact is a person. So normally you have a company and then you have a person linked to that account. You can create a new one from here from scratch, or you can just find someone from the database that are already there. So of course some dummy data there that has been created when I created this trial version that you can pick. You can pick one of those. The case title, I need help online. Subject. These subjects come predefined, but you can set all up. Question there, status in progress. Current case, if there's any case, need help with login. And then save and close, and that creates a new case. So there we go. That's the case number there. So I've just double clicked to expand the case. So I am in the case now. So all the details that I've just filled in, the timeline that you can add, appointment, email, phone call, tasks. These can be either manually entered or automated, depending on the settings. So you can see the case number, you can resolve, you can cancel, you can assign to another user of the system there to deal, to carry on with it, to a queue, many other applications that you can do with it. So let's have a look. Maybe if I get marketing would be a good example on this one. Okay, let's go to the trial website, Dynamics trial website. So let's get marketing. Let's try marketing. So let's get that license there. So I can just move on to United Kingdom because this is where I am now. And just get my phone. And submit. Oh, brilliant. Seems like I can launch the trial. Yes, that's good, because I have been doing this for so many times. Sometimes I get blocked. This is great. Yeah, this is big overview on the trial for marketing. Again, now you can see all the other apps there as well. So the one I've just been looking at was the customer service, but now you can see the marketing app there, UI, Unified Interface app, which is great. I'm loving it. Specific about Dynamics 365 marketing. So so Dynamics 365 marketing is a marketing automation application that helps turn prospects into business relationships and whether it's creating rich and dynamic marketing content to help you understand your leads better. Dynamics 365 Marketing provides you with everything that it needs to take control of your marketing efforts, and powered by Microsoft Power Platform. Dynamics 365 Marketing provides customers a set of capabilities that enable marketers to analyze, target, and engage with customers. So in here you can get, you can get all the journey that the customer. There's no data here with analytics because there's no much data here. I'll create some, and then I'll come back to this when I explain in more details about marketing. So this is just to help you showing that you can get a trial account. So watch out for more videos specific about marketing that I explain about all of these points with some data that you can see. Okay, but this is, like I said, this is more to help you make sure you can set up you can get trial version. Okay. But yeah, so the next one I was going to talk about is sales, which is the other application. So when I was on my very first video, I was giving an overview about what's Dynamics 365 CRM and Dynamics ERP. I mentioned that there's a bit of if you haven't seen it yet. So just so you understand, on CRM, Dynamics 365 CRM, then you got sales, customer service, field service, project service, and marketing. So the one I'm just showing you now is marketing. So you can get the trial version for that one. So looking at other trial versions, so let's have a look. So the next one is sales. So let's see if I can get a provision of that one. Like I said, I have been trying this a few times, so I might get locked. No, I haven't, which is great. So the sales is where it empowers the sellers to build strong customer relationship and close deals faster. That's the aim, okay? So it's a digital selling tools help sellers better understand which customers and sales opportunities they should be focusing on. Sales, it has a lot more data here, so I can show a little bit more about what this is all about. So you get a lead. The lead, it's not a prospect yet. It's not someone that you think you're gonna sell. So first thing they need to do, they need to qualify this lead. So this is the BPF, we call it, abbreviation for business process flow. So first thing that they say this person will do is, okay, so at this stage I need to qualify this person. I'm gonna give him a call and talk him through. I might got this from an advertisement, from, I don't know, Google Ads, Facebook ads, or from the website, or from a form, from telephone, or whatever. And then it got the timeline there with details there. It might have company details and everything. So as you progress and qualify this, or is this an existing contact, you can associate that with someone that has already existing. You move on to the next stage, and it says, oh, no sales records found, so it is not purchased with anything else. So, and then as you go along, then you can progress with this sale until he actually becomes a client or a customer, depending on the product or service that you're selling. And like I said, this video is not designed to give an in-depth overview. There's going to be another video specific about sales, and this is just to help you get the trial account. And the next one that I would like to get up and running is, like I said, just the trial account, so we can get geared up and ready for the expanded videos, is the Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. And do you remember, it's just up here. Do you remember that if you haven't watched my videos, the first video, talked about this. So we are in these area here, okay? So let's get that one, field service. Let's get that trial up and running. So again, I'm just using my test email there, and I'm gonna sign up for that one. Okay, again, let me just change the country region to United Kingdom to where I am now. Quite funny. And let's get that trial running. Brilliant. Love it. Okay, so there you go. So field service, when I click here, I can see all the other apps. Can you see there? Field service mobile. That's brilliant. Okay, so again, I'm not gonna go in details for these because this is just to show you how to get the trial account set up and running. I'll explain these videos in more details and show some example, enter some data, and show you how to set up and everything for each one of these. So again, you can get, probably you're not gonna get this get started yet. You're gonna get to a dashboard like this where you see a bit more data there of the services and everything that you need to work on, or your food agent or service working on. So you have worker orders, you have scheduled, and where you are and how to pronounce. You can let me just expand this one here, which is quite good because you can get the timeline, you can get the all the information that related to that product, primary incident, the resolution, how much it cost, the settings and everything. Again, you can see the BPF, the business process flow there, which is different to the sales one. Let me see the sales. So let me just change this to the sales hub. Sales team. Oh, actually, no, not this one. Sales drive. Sales. Okay, English is not my first language, as you may have noticed by now. Yeah, so on the lead, I just wanted to show you the BPF, the differences. This can be customized as well, as long as you follow the Microsoft best practices, because there are updates, and if you follow the best practices, you won't have a problem. Okay, so you see that comparing this with these, so depending on the type of services, this business process flow can be customized, which is quite good. Okay, so the next one is project operations. Let's get this license for that one. So you get ready for future videos, so you can follow through as well while you watching and listening to me speaking too fast and you can't understand the word I'm saying. Okay, so project operations. There we go. There we go. Project operations. Okay, yeah. So the process is slightly different. Let's try that. So I have 1 month to try. Try now. Okay, it's loading. Okay, your confirmation number, import to use a new license, make sure you assign them. So you have to assign them on the users page. So let me continue there. So Dynamics project operations. Okay, so great. So let me assign these users. Okay, so I've got all of these users there. I think I have to, so I'm just going to use this one for now. So this one here, once I click there, licenses and apps, and there you go. So I need to take these. I only have one, as you can see there, so that's fine. Okay, the main thing is this. So as long as you tick this box and save changes, then you should be good to go. Okay, then I should be able to access that. Okay, so once you you get the license, you assign the license to a person like I did. Then you need to go to the admin power platform. So admin.powerplatform.microsoft. Okay. So from here, you need to deploy these environment. Um, field services there, marketing, customer service trial, you can see sales trial, Azure environment. So let's find out Dynamics 365 apps, field service. This one is not configured, but leave it for later. So let me just search for it. So project operations. Project. And I'm just project operations. That's the one. That's the one. So let's click on install. You need to select the environment, like let's say on sales trial. Okay. Okay, so that's installing. So let's install. Then we will be able to see it. Okay, so let's see if it has installed. Okay, so it seems like it's still showing installed. Installing. Okay, let's go again into the sales. Remember that I did install under the sales environment, so I'm just gonna see. Yeah, it's showing that project operations. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. So this is the app, project and operations. So the other part of the Dynamics 365 CRM app. So what's Dynamics 365 project operations? It helps project-based organizations connect sales, staffing and resources, project management and finance teams in a single application that accelerate project delivery and maximize profitability. So there's no data here. Like I said, this is mostly aiming to show and to help you set up the trial version and get ready for when I expand more details about these videos. I will enter more data into these so we can talk you through. But it's just to give you an overview. So what the project operation is that can be used by us, okay, in these demos, okay. I hope you did enjoy showing how to start a free trial account. There are a lot more to show. There's others as well I want to show further down the line, but these will give you a start and give you a hint of how to get the trial. And if you haven't seen the other video yet, just go back and watch the other video that I give an overview about what is Dynamics 365. I give bit of a history and how things are set up and how things are in the umbrella of it, a bit of history as well. And if you are a test analyst or if you are a business analyst, process analyst or developer, project manager, anybody who are getting into Dynamics 365, I think this will be useful for you to get a basis on. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.